Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated throwback modern mashups in the automotive world, the 2025 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Yes, Nissan has revived the iconic nameplate with a futuristic interpretation that pays serious homage to the legendary Hakosuka from the 70s, but with all the tech and performance of a modern-day beast. Let's get into it. We're going to start with the exterior, and right away you'll notice the retro DNA is strong here. The silhouette stays true to the original GTR. Boxy, low-slung, and muscular. Nissan has kept those squared-off edges, classic round taillights, and even the slim front grille that nods directly to the 1970s design. But it's not just a copy-paste job. The 2025 version incorporates adaptive LED lighting, active aero elements like an automatically adjusting front splitter, and lightweight carbon fiber accents on the hood, side skirts, and rear spoiler. The body itself sits on a widened platform with flared fenders that house those aggressive 20-inch forged wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires. There's no mistaking this car for anything else on the road. It screams Skyline from every angle, but feels like something straight out of a concept car showcase. Now let's step inside, and this is where things really get interesting. Nissan has struck a careful balance between retro charm and futuristic tech. You're greeted with quilted leather and Alcantara bucket seats featuring classic stitching patterns, reminiscent of the 1970s GTR. The dash is minimalist but rich in details, with a digital-analog hybrid cluster that mimics the old-school gauge look but delivers real-time performance telemetry, G-force meters, and even retro-styled dials for oil pressure and boost. The center console features a floating 12.3-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and full Nissan Connect support. There's also a holographic heads-up display that gives you lap data if you're on track or navigational prompts on city drives. Finishing touches like the wooden trim inserts and brushed aluminum knobs just ooze quality. And yes, it's a two-door coupe with a tiny rear seat, so while it might not be the most practical, it stays true to its legacy. Now, on to performance. And this is where the GTR badge really comes alive. Under the hood, we've got a twin turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, a nod to the legendary S20 engine of the original. But this one's a whole different animal, pumping out a monstrous 480 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission with launch control and rev-matching downshifts. Power goes to all four wheels via Nissan's latest Atisa ETS all-wheel drive system. But there's a selectable RWD mode for purists who want tail-out action. 0 to 60 comes in at a blistering 3.6 seconds, and the top speed is rated just north of 190 mph. Suspension-wise, it's equipped with electronically adjustable dampers and a lightweight double wishbone setup in the front, multi-link in the rear, tuned for serious performance without compromising daily drivability. Brakes are Brembo carbon ceramics as standard, and they bite hard when you need them to. And yes, the exhaust note, deep, raspy, and with a pronounced turbo whoosh, is nothing short of addictive. Fuel economy? It's rated at around 22 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive considering the power. But let's be real, no one's buying a GTR for efficiency. Finally, let's talk price. This blend of heritage, technology, and performance doesn't come cheap. The base model of the 2025 Skyline 2000 GTR starts at around $95,000. But with the performance package, carbon upgrades, and custom interior options, it can climb easily past $115,000. Limited editions, of which Nissan plans only 200 units worldwide, are expected to reach closer to $140,000 due to exclusivity and serialized badging. So there you have it, the 2025 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, a perfect blend of past and future, power and poise, legacy and innovation. This is more than just a car, it's a statement. If you're a fan of automotive history with a craving for cutting-edge tech and speed, this might just be the ultimate collector's piece that you can actually drive hard. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you take this over a modern GTR or something like a Supra or M2? Let me know your thoughts. Catch you in the next one.